Guys, we got good news. We got rain. The rain is slowly pitter pattering. I can actually show you. Finally, we got rain. Enjoy the rain. Be I will. It's flashing on me. Finally. So we're going to go there and work because it's fully sparkling. I don't want to get wet. Finally, this video series will not get. Oh yeah. Oh my. It's flashing on me. Oh my. Oh nope. Please flashing. Nope, 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 nope. Oh yeah. So yeah. We finally got rain. We did get a lot of rain. The dogs are going to shelter. Will they go? Oh my, no. Ew. It is all paid off. So the now news update is telling that like 90% of chance after the rain has started. So 90%. Yep, this looks like 100% to me. Still telling chance, but we already have rain. We got rain. We got it. This is what we wanted. This is what this series is for. This is what it is. Let's embrace the rain. Without you, we don't have water. So let's embrace. The road is slowly getting wet. It's like coming like fully like this, so you can actually see. Very heavy and hear it. Oh yeah. It is still coming this way. Fully splashing on me. My leg is getting wet. It's all worth it, guys. It is all worth it. The video, the 7 or 8 parts of this series. There's a lot of wind from the rain. We're getting and fully getting splashed. You can actually see here fully wet. Oh my no! Oh my god! See. Finally, guys, these videos that I've uploaded, that I will upload, that have paid off very much. This is one of the heaviest rain that I have seen. Oh, thunder is going to strike. I know, it's just some bright light. Oh no. my god. Another episode of one of the heaviest rain I have seen. I will include this in that episode. Look at that. Look at the road. Fully water. Letting. Fully splashing. Now the direction is coming like this. Before it was coming like this. So finally that clouds and every cloud that we have seen has now came to this. Oh my god. Fully spraying. Just enjoy the time lapse again. Enjoy the sound of the rain. I think we are going to get some thunder now. Be ready to get like sound. I think now only the sky flashed. Yep, as I said. Inside, there's a lot of rain. Lots and lots and lots and rain. Lots and lots of rain. Lots and lots of rain. So thank you guys for watching this series. Hope you watched the whole series. And here Pradyun is signing off. Bye.